I struggled with finding a solution to support my body's natural defense mechanisms and address concerns related to oxidative stress and inflammation. These issues not only impacted my overall health, but also left me searching for a natural and potent solution to enhance my well-being. So in the search for nutrition, I discovered the exceptional benefits of broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are rich in sulforaphane, which is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Recognizing the potential of broccoli sprouts as a superfood, I decided to incorporate it into my daily salad to be able to take advantage of its health properties. So the addition of broccoli sprouts to my daily salad has been transformative, positively impacting various aspects of my health. And in today's video, I'm going to share my experience with using broccoli sprouts and how it has helped me with my health in terms of being consistently using it every single day for 2 months now. The biggest reason I started using broccoli sprouts was to help my body in reducing the impact of oxidative stress. So it's important to understand that oxidative stress is linked to chronic inflammation and various health issues, prompting my search for a natural solution, especially because I was facing problems with my joints and problems with the peripheral neuropathy, and it started escalating at the end of autumn. So research has led me to sulforaphane, which is a potent compound found in cruciferous vegetables, particularly in high concentrations in broccoli sprouts. Sulforaphane is renowned for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and detoxification properties. So when I was interested about the benefits of sulforaphane, I decided to incorporate broccoli sprouts as part of a daily routine. Now, the sprouts provide a convenient and flavorful addition to my meals, and they also provide me with a powerful antioxidant properties. Broccoli sprouts are a rich source of antioxidants that are important for helping your body in neutralizing free radicals, and this in turn played a role in reducing oxidative stress and minimizing the risk of cellular damage. Also, it has a wonderful, strong, powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which have been really important in managing inflammation within my body, and this has contributed to improved joint health and an overall reduction in the inflammation-related discomfort. It also helps me with detoxifying because sulforaphane is known to support the body's detoxification process, particularly when it comes to helping in the removal of harmful substances. And this aspect really appealed to me as I was finding ways to promote overall health and well-being. Also, it helped with my immune system in terms of helping me with sicknesses. So I've noticed a reduction in the frequency of minor illnesses, and my immune system feels more resilient. I also noticed a big glow in my skin. Now, the skin benefits of sulforaphane has been a pleasant surprise, and I noticed improved skin clarity, reduced redness, and a more healthy glow, which reflected the positive impact on my overall skin complexion. What is my long-term strategy with sulforaphane? I intend to incorporate broccoli sprouts in my daily salad as a long-term strategy because consistency is important in continuing to experience the many benefits that broccoli sprouts has to offer from me. So let me know, would you try broccoli sprouts as part of your daily salad? Give it a try for a minimum of a month and let me know how it feels. If you enjoyed today's video, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.